baby,
take my hand.
I'm right here.
I stand.
Together we rise under holy skies. You came like quiet morning rain, washed away my fear, my shame. Now every breath I take spells out your name.
You held my trembling heart so slow, taught my wounded soul to glow. Now every step I make walks in your glow.
We've been through fire, we've been through storm, but your sweet smile keeps my spirit warm.
Every trial only tied us tight. Now I see our future in your eyes tonight.
Baby, let us commemorate the union of our peaceful love. We lift it up, we celebrate before our maker up above. Hand in hand, we make this vow. Every heartbeat, every hour, nobody will separate us now until death do us apart. By His power, oh yeah, until death do us apart. By His power, oh, oh.
You dance me across this worn out floor, bare feet, laughter, asking nothing more. I hear a quiet voice inside saying,
This is what I prayed for. Your head resting on my chest. This simple moment feels so blessed. If this is all I ever own.
when I was broken, you were my song. When I was drifting, you pulled me along. Every scar turned into sacred art. When mercy painted over our hearts. When mercy painted over our hearts.
Baby, let us commemorate the union of our peaceful love. We lift it up, we celebrate before our maker up above. Hand in hand, we make this vow. Every heartbeat, every hour, nobody will separate us now until death do us apart. By His power, yeah, yeah, until death do us apart. By His power, may love. If the waves rise high, I will stand by you.
If the nights grow long, I will pray you through. If my body fades, my soul stays true. I will walk that final mile with you.
From first soft kiss to final breath, we will praise through life and rest under grace that wrote our names in a love that never ends. Baby, let us commemorate the union of our peaceful love. We lift it up, we celebrate before our maker up above. Hand in hand, we make this vow. Every heartbeat, every hour, nobody will separate us now until death do us apart. By His power,
Oh Lord, keep us.
until death do us apart.
Oh, by His power.
Take my hand,
Take my hand.
I'm right here.
I stand, peaceful love, forever true. Until death I stay with